boy, my people. Say, I'm talking about can be at a red light. That motherfucker turn green. Don't blow it. Nobody black. Shit, lying to me. I'm talking about don't even, it's you know what I'm talking about? You all that, a bitch move, of course. But you can't even, you just giving them a little, you know what I'm saying? Let them know, hey, you done turn green. Let's go and move on, play out. Nah, better sit and wait. I don't give a fuck if your AC been out 19 weeks and 4 days and 36 hours and 22 minutes, 12 seconds. Don't blow. I don't give a damn if your ass just got fired. Don't blow. I don't give a fuck if your ass late to a funeral. Motherfucker, don't blow. And yes, these are things that is fucked up with our peoples. But I stand firmly and I stand proud behind every motherfucker who get an attitude at a honk. He talking about Kiss ain't Tweety ass. One more. Kiss ain't Tweety ass.